Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we've got another truck we're getting ready to place on the lot today. This is a 2012 Ford F-150. It's a Lariat trim model. It's a 4x4 short bed truck. It's got the 3.5 liter Ecoboost engine, which basically means it's turbocharged. So you're going to get more horsepower, similar to a larger engine, but since it's a smaller V6, you're going to get better gas mileage. So it's really a great combination. But you can see it's got the chrome running boards, deep tinted windows all the way around it, 4-door Super Crew cab, nice rims, tires on it. You've got the deep tinted window on the back. It does have a backup camera. I'll show you. It's actually right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bed in this. Okay, there's the bed. You see it does have a liner in it, so it's going to protect it. So let's continue our walk around. Okay, so we'll go on the driver's side. You see it does have the keyless entry. And also wanted to show you the mirrors on this. Your turn signal is right here. But let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Okay, nice interior on this F-150. You can see we got black leather, and you've got wood grain on the black door panel. Saving a nice one for here. It does have a sunroof in it, so that's fantastic. Love this truck. Okay, so let's take a look at the interior. You can see you do have power seats on both sides, and it does have two settings for two different people. Push the one that's setting for you and it will go right to what you want. Let's look at the door panel. You still have the wood grain up here also. LCD command center. One thing I do want to notice, guys, is your button right here. That will actually have your brake pedal and your gas pedal. It will either come closer to you or go further away. So you can actually tailor fit this to your comfort level. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, so here we are on the inside. Show you the instrument gauges here. You've got controls on your steering wheel. I'll pan over. You can see here's your four-wheel drive selector, brake booster adjustment. Scroll down, you've got your CD player right here, climate control. It does have dual climate control. And a great thing about this truck, heated seats. Actually, it has heated and cooled. Seeing how it's starting to spit a little snow outside, I'm not going to be pushing that cold button. Let's keep her on warm. So beautiful gear shift. You've got the wood trim around here, chrome accent, 2 cup holders. But now this truck does have a rear view camera, and it has navigation. So click the map right here, and you're going to see the navigation show up, GPS. That's awesome. Let me go ahead. I'm going to drop it down in reverse. Right there, you can see the rear view camera. So this truck does have a lot of nice features. Pan around, show you up overhead. It does have a shade. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that open for right now. You've got storage with 2 cup holders here. This does open up. This is removable. And you've got a lot of space down here to put a ham. If you want to put a ham down there, that is. So let's take a look in back. Beautiful leather interior. And I'm telling you what, space is incredible in this truck. So that's it, guys. Here on your steering wheel, want to let you know, cruise control, you've got different settings up on your gauges you can go through. It's Bluetooth connectivity to your smartphone, volume up and down, media, answer your phone calls. Someone calls, you don't want to talk to them, put them on voicemail. You don't need to talk to them. Anyway, that's our truck. 2012 F-150 Lariat 4x4, 3.5 liter Ecoboost engine, turbocharged. So we've got a lot of lenders that's wanting to loan money, so just give us a call, 992. Let's start off with the area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day, guys.